Going too far, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, going too far. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. Going too far is a phrase that implies exceeding limits or crossing boundaries. It's often used to describe actions or words that are considered excessive or inappropriate. The phrase suggests that there is a line of acceptable behavior, and going beyond that line is not acceptable. To better understand going too far, let's look at some examples. In social situations, I think the joke you made about Lisa's job was going too far. It seemed to upset her. In work or professional settings, the manager's critique during the meeting was going too far. It was quite demoralizing for the team. In personal relationships, accusing me of being selfish just because I missed your call is going too far. Here are some tips on using going too far. 1. Expressing disapproval. Use it when you want to express that someone's behavior or words are unacceptable. 2. Cautioning someone. It can be a way to warn someone before they cross a boundary. 3. Reflecting on actions. Use it to express regret about one's own actions that may have been excessive. Not just physical distance. Remember, going too far is not about physical distance. It's about crossing social, ethical, or moral boundaries. Context matters. The same action can be too far in one context but acceptable in another. Always consider the situation. Understanding the phrase, going too far, is key to navigating social interactions effectively. It helps in identifying and communicating boundaries. I hope this video has been enlightening, and you feel more confident in using this phrase appropriately. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about understanding context and emotions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.